If you struggle to feel connected with your audience whenever you deliver a workshop, keynote, or training, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 public speaking tips to help you and your audience feel more connected. These 3 tips work regardless of whether you're speaking in person or virtually. You can use these 3 tips whenever you attend meetings, podcasts, interviews, trainings, and workshops too. Hello, my name is Sel and I am super excited to have you here. If you're new here, welcome. In this channel, we explore the strategies and the tools to help you with your mindset, confidence, and public speaking. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button to get notified every single time that I post a new video. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is show that you care. This means demonstrate that you understand what your audience is currently going through. You can say something like this: I know at times it can be so hard to feel motivated when no one around us believes in our vision. Show that you understand their problems, their hopes, and their dreams in order to build that initial connection. Say something that will get them thinking, that person really gets me. Tip number 2 is share your expertise. If you're on stage, chances are you've mastered or you know something that your audience is still trying to figure out for themselves. Be kind enough to add value to their life by sharing your top tips in a very digestible way that they can quickly go ahead and implement. And finally, if you're not a naturally funny person, don't try too hard to be funny. You're better off showing up authentically than pretending to be someone that you're not. Your audience is attracted to your most authentic version. If anything about you feels fake, including your humor, you'll end up repelling your audience instead of attracting them. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Will you use any of these 3 tips in your next keynote, workshop, or training to connect with your audience? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend or a colleague, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.
To book Sel for a keynote or workshop, go to www.selamard.com/speaking.